I've been with Tir Dewi just over 6 months, and when I came to the organisation I was lucky to inherit some really experienced and wonderful volunteers. Our volunteers all have some experience in farming, so they might be farmers themselves, retired farmers, or have worked within the agricultural industry. Some volunteers get a lot of pleasure of just being able to give back and help somebody because they've been helped themselves. Somebody who's had an experience, maybe an unpleasant one that they've been through and have come out the other side and have been able to support someone going through something similar. And we've also got a volunteer who's quite honest, and he said, I'm in this for myself because I'm getting older. I can see myself getting a bit more isolated, and it's to keep that social network going. So I think people are doing it for different reasons. So I wanted to get a job, and I knew that it would look good on my CV to have some volunteering experience under my belt. And I often say to people, especially younger people who are looking to make those career moves, it looks like a really positive, a proactive thing if you can show that you're willing to do something for no financial benefit. It shows you're keen and you're willing to get stuck into something, and that's a really positive thing. Aside from that, it just gives you a really great sense of feeling good that you've been able to help somebody else.